Hello everyone, I am Gary. This is Auntie.
Hello, today we will test XSTO Stair climbing hand truck with different cargoes on spiral stair. Here are two different design of powered stair climbing hand truck. This is our latest new crawler design model CT105. This is model of ZW4170D.
This is the ZW7170E model. This is the foldable model ZW7170GF.
Now let us take a look at their features one by one. First of all, I want to share with you one of my findings on XSTO Stair climbers. All of XSTO Stair climber are equipped with plug-play lithium battery, speed button, upstairs downstairs button and point touch button. Now let's have try. Here, SCT105, it is the latest new launched light load stair climber model, which is equipped with mode switcher, safe stepping on area, non-marking, and non-slipping crawler track. Edge brake, it is extremely simple and safe.
The second one is ZW7170GF, which is the smallest powered stair climber than ever. Its foldable design enables it to be carried around easily. You can turn on the auto edge brake with just one finger click. It is really safe.
The third model is ZW7170E. It's lightweighted, built with aluminum alloy frame and mute motor. It carry multiple type of cargo that is up to 170 kilograms.
The last one we would like to show you is ZW4170D. It is equipped with pneumatic tire with loading capacity up to 170 kilograms, built with strengthening carbon steel and stepping frame and big toe plate. It can carry multiple cargo, and it is popular in construction site.
XSTO. Ease your way to every step.